Hey everybody, welcome to Weekend Hero. I'm Ashley, and today I was gonna finish recording a video I was working on with these parts where I fixed that stuff up, but I can't do that right now because I broke the pressure washer. Well, when I say I broke the pressure washer, I don't mean I broke it; it just stopped working. So let me show you what's going on. So this is my pressure washer, and I'm gonna show you right now what it's doing. Trigger is not locked, but you can see that the water's on, so you can hit it, the water's on. So I'm gonna turn on the machine so you see what's going on. Almost lost control there, but without me pressing the trigger, it kind of just shoots out water, and it's leaking from here and here. So I'm gonna unscrew these screws and see what's going on inside. Alright, so this is the inside of the gun. All I did was I pop this up. The trigger mechanism is right here, still attached to the top side. I unbolted unscrewed, the extension, and this is basically it right here. That's right here. So what this is literally the trigger. Just press down on this, opens up the little valve, and then there should just be a straight line into the nozzle at the end. Let's see which one of these is busted. This is probably something dumb. You shouldn't do this, what I'm about to do, but I gotta find where the leak is coming from. Either way, if I break something or if I can't fix it, this is just 20 bucks on Amazon. I'm not gonna lie, this is why I'm even attempting to fix it. If I mess it up, I'll just purchase a new one. Okay, so here it is. It's attached. First is first, I'm gonna open the water line. And let's see if the water is coming out. I'm just gonna push this down. That's harder than I thought. Just push it like this. Alright, so there is water coming out. Now, see how wet I get if I turn off this machine. Again, this is probably dumb, don't try it. I don't know what's gonna happen. It will be just a split second. You can't see it. You can't see it, but it looks like I have a leak right at this joint. I don't even know if you can see that joint. It's too dark in here to see it. But right where this little triangle is, right here under the corner, in this corner right here, there is a leak. So, which is probably causing this to not keep pressure in the system. Let me investigate further. So I super glued it. Is this the right thing to do? Probably not. Do I have anything else in my garage to fix this? No, this is broken. So I'm going to try this out and see if it actually works. All right, so let's install something like that. Clicked on, and there it is. Let's see if we still have a leak. Hopefully we don't. Leak test, part 1. Turn on water. Alright, everything is normal. I don't see any water coming out. Let's put some pressure on this to see if it shoots. Yep, shoots alright. Now we're going to turn on the machine. Fail. Alright, so at least I tried. I think I'm gonna end it right here. That's gonna be the video. I didn't fix anything today. Unfortunately, the piece of plastic, this little elbow thing, pop this out. This little elbow thing, the plastic is broken, so I can't actually fix it. So unless I get a new one of this, but honestly, with the whole gun being 20 bucks, I might just buy a new gun on Amazon. And unfortunately, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna rebuild this up. I'm gonna put it all back together. I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna use it while it's leaking because it still has pressure. It still works as a pressure washer. Clean these two up. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.